Hello and welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Polygon Matic chart and also give you reasons as to why we saw this massive dump yesterday. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around and also give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and also check out the channel membership. And you can see that we saw this massive dump in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.5 mark, and at the time of this recording we are seeing a bit of a recovery to the upper side. And the reason as to why we saw this massive sell-off on the charts, one of the reasons is that Robinhood has decided to delist Polygon Matic, which is one of the coins that have been mentioned to be listed as securities in the recent lawsuit against BINANCE and KuCoin. And from this article you can see that the popular trading app Robinhood is now adding support for 3 cryptocurrencies, and that is Cardano ADA. We also have Polygon Matic and Solana from the 27th of June 2023. So that is the news that gave us this massive sell-off in the market. And also remember that this week we have been very bearish as a result of the opening of those lawsuits against Binance and KuCoin. And getting back to the technical analysis, this move, that is this breakdown to the lower side, has continued to hold within significant areas here on the charts that I gave you, basing it on the Elliot structures. And if I zoom out so that I can give a recap of what has been happening, Polygon Matic last year in June gave us a low at around the $0.32 mark. Then we started a 5-wave move to the upside, where we saw that wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $1.3 mark, in a move that also completed the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1 to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, where we have been breaking down in this ABC corrective move, where I have been terming these as the wave A. Then we saw that overshooting wave B, and I had been expecting one more leg down in the formation of this wave C to the lower side. Though the sell-off that we saw that is not what I was expecting, though the sell-off has helped us fully maximize our target area on the charts that I gave you using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gave me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, between the $0.8113 mark and the $0.5324 mark. And at the time of this recording you can now see that we have fully maximized that target area, and there are chances that in case these the lawsuit dust continues to settle down, then there are chances that Polygon Matic might see a recovery to the upside in what could be the start of an impulse in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. So if the lawsuits and everything concerning it does not get messy, there are chances that we are going to see a recovery to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And to confirm that you are back in the formation of this wave 3, I'll be tracking to see a 5-wave move here on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure to the lower side. And once you see such a move before we can continue gearing up, that will be enough confirmation that Polygon Matic has now started an impulse in the formation of this wave 3. And I believe these are good buying areas for Polygon Matic, and that is not financial advice. So don't buy, hold or sell any crypto without doing your own research. And on the worst case scenario, in case further it gets messy with the lawsuit and maybe we continue seeing further breakdown here on the charts, then I'll be watching the next key areas of supports here on the Polygon Matic chart at around the $0.5 mark first, before we can heading further down to the area at around the $0.4297 mark, where we have our next key area of support. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Polygon Matic chart. Continue watching those. That is this support area highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area between the 0.5 to $76 mark, because in case we continue holding within it, we can expect our bounce back to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in case we see a breakout of the target area, continue heading further down, and also the lawsuits case continues to get messy, then we can expect further breakdown here on the Polygon Matic chart. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 23 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.